In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to Shopify product page, Full Guide 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add and manage product tags so your catalog stays organized and your automated collections and search filters work the way you expect. First, sign in to your Shopify admin on your computer. From your dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Products. This opens your full product list so you can choose the item you want to edit. Select the product you're working on. I'm opening a sample product here, but you can pick any item from your catalog. On the product details page, find the tags field. Depending on your admin layout, it's typically in the organization or product status area on the right side. Click into the tags box to start adding tags. Type highlight into the field. If this tag doesn't already exist in your store, Shopify will show an option to create it as a new tag. Click the option to create it as new, then confirm by clicking Add. You'll see the tag appear as a small pill inside the field, which means it's been attached to the product. Click back into the Tags field and begin typing again. This time, enter New Arrivals. If it already exists, you'll see it in the suggestions. Click New Arrivals to attach it to the product. If you ever mistype something, you can remove a tag by clicking the little X on its pill and then re-adding the correct one. When your tags look right, click Save in the top right corner of the page. Saving applies your changes everywhere this product appears, including in any automated collections that filter by these tags. A few quick tips while you're here. Use short, consistent tags so they're easy to reuse across products. Stick to a clear naming convention, such as all lowercase and hyphenated where needed, to avoid duplicates like New Arrivals and New Arrivals. Tags are powerful for storefront filtering, staff workflows, and automation, so keep them intentional. If a tag is meant to drive a time-based campaign, remember to retire or replace it later so your merchandising stays fresh. That's it. You went to your Shopify admin, opened Products, selected your product, typed highlight, and created it as a new tag, confirmed by clicking Add, then typed again and selected New Arrivals, and finally saved your changes. Follow the same process for any other products you want to organize,